What if I told you that a new AI is quietly rising and even ChatGPT might have real competition now? Most of the people know about ChatGPT, but there is another powerful company in the AI race. Name is Anthropic, and their new AI model is making big tech companies pay serious attention. So the question is Anthropic's new AI model is more powerful than ChatGPT? First, let's understand what makes this AI very special. Anthropic focuses heavily on safe and smart AI. Their latest AI tools is designed to think more carefully before answering. Instead of just responding quickly, it tries to understand questions very deeply and gives replies very accurately and logical. This approach is very different because while many AI models focus on speed, Anthropic focusing is on reasoning and reliability. That means fewer random answers and structured thinking. Another reason people are talking about Anthropic is its strong backing. The company has received billions of dollars in investment from major tech giants like Amazon and Google. When companies like these are invest heavily, it's usually one thing: they see massive future potential. Some earlier users say that Anthropic's AI performs better in coding, research, and long conversations. It can handle complex questions and detailed tasks with surprising consistency. That's why many experts believe the AI is no longer just about ChatGPT vs Google. It's now ChatGPT vs Anthropic. But does this mean ChatGPT is losing? Not exactly. Let's break down. ChatGPT still has a huge user base, powerful tools, and constant updates. The reality is that we are entering an AI war where multiple companies are competing to build the smartest and useful AI tools. And for users like us, this competition is actually good because when tech giants compete, innovation becomes faster, smarter, and more affordable. So the real question is not which AI will win. The real question is which AI will shape our future. Because one thing is clear, the AI race has just begun and it's getting intense. Thank you and have a nice day.